All right, this is a Sprout Network airdrop, a newly launched airdrop. Okay, it's a US-based project. Are you getting it? So we are very early. Just a new project. If you join now, you'll be mining 4 Sprout per hour. Okay, yes, you'll be mining 4 Sprout per hour. Remember, we'll be expecting having, but not immediately. Can you see it? If you join now, you'll be mining 4.6 Sprout per hour. If you join now, so this boost that you are seeing here, you can make use of this boost 5 times a day. Once you click it, it will enable you to boost your mining. Are you getting it? So that is it. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Can you see the halving? Can we see the halving here? Next halving. It said earn at this rate while you can. Then any rate will have as more users join. That means the more users are joining this project, the more that's how the halving will take place. Okay, so if you have not joined, please quickly join before the halving. If you have not joined the project, I will advise you to quickly check out the description button of the description of this video. You see the link. Use the link and sign up and join in before the halving will start. More than 10,000 persons have joined this project. We are still early, very early, just a new project. Okay, don't wait till when the halving will drop. Just check out this place. Check out here. You can mine 4 Sprout airdrop per hour. Before once the halving setting, more people are joining. That's how the mining rate will reduce. If you don't hasten up, you might even join at 2.0 per hour, or you might even join at 0.25 per hour. If you don't join now that the halving is high. The mining is high. The mining is very high now. Okay, on this boost, okay, can use it 5 times a day. Let me click on it. Let me click on this boost. I've clicked on it the first time. Wow. Okay, can you see it has increased my mining? I can mine 5 Sprout per hour now. You can use this boost 5 times per day. So don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. Let's go to okay. All right. Okay. And while you can. Welcome to Sprout Network. So they are on Twitter, but they have not dropped any. Look at the leaderboard. Those are our guys. Okay. Those are our guys on the leaderboard. Check out the leader. Click on leaderboard and see how far. Under a few days. Can you see these people? Can you see these people? 6,529. The first person on my list there. Just check out these people. How many they have been able to mine. Check out the figure they have been able to mine here. Okay. So check out these guys. 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 Under a few days. I know you will say they have large community, but you that doesn't have, you can share with your friends, and it's still early for you to join. No procrastination. Are you getting it? So you go to setting. You can check them out on Twitter. They're on Twitter, but they have not dropped any update yet. They're on Instagram too. They're on Instagram. So let's go back. Just check out here. Can we check out here? Click on that place. Let's see what is there. Click on that place. All right. Can you see here? Base rate. Team member. If I have team member, the boost rate, security cycle rate. So try to add people in your security cycle the same way we are adding people. I think this is Atoshi money we are doing. We added some person in our security cycle, even in our Pi mining too. So try to add 3 or 4, 5 friends to your security cycle. It will help to boost your mining. Okay, just if you read what is here, This is the hourly rate earned by simply having an active earning session. It represents your direct contribution to the network. Okay, this boost rate, check them out. Boost rate, a boost temporarily increase your earning rate by 0.4 Sprout per hour. Each boost is activated by watching an ad. Are you hearing it? They check out the security cycle rate. So this bonus increase your base rate depending on how many trusted team members you added to your security circle, up to 5. So try to add like 5 persons to your security circle. Please, ladies and gentlemen, download it from Play Store. Sign up with your email address and the password. Then kick off. Start mining. Share the link with your friends so they can join you in mining this project. So we are expecting the TGE by next year 2026. I think 2026 we're expecting the TGE. But for now the project is still early. So let's not talk about the TGE. It's still early. Let's mine first. I get to. So I don't want this video to be long. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. God bless you.